Okay guys, I'm back after way too long of not uploading a video. I've made simply too many excuses not to, so I'll get right into it. I'm back with episode 3. I may have said episode 3, but I meant episode 4. Just to clarify that for you guys. Of the building a breadboard CPU named TR8 CPU series. This is about the memory module. Now, as you can see, I've got some beautiful lights over here. They indicate these lights in front here, LEDs I should say, indicate what is in the memory address that is currently selected. And these lights, you might have guessed, reflect the selected memory address. So, let's get to it. I have some wires over here. This one is for manually reading / writing to the memory. This one is for setting the address when the CPU is in operation. This one is for storing data, both when the CPU is in operation and when it's not. This one, if I can get a clear look at that, is for loading data back out of the memory when the CPU is in operation. Okay, so I'll show you exactly how you write to the memory. So first we're going to do this manually, so let's just make that high. That's not high. That is. Now, give me a minute while I poke some wire. Okay, so I'm back. I have poked in a few wires over here. Yeah. And, well, here we can see what is in the first memory address. But let's say we wanted to see what's in the third one. Well, we can do that by simply turning the according switches on. This means 3, and this right here means, let me see. This is 13 stored right there. Well, we can look through another bit of memory if we want to. As you can see, some random data that was here since it started up. Now, let's say we wanted to write a value over here. What we do, we go over here and turn on our store flag. Yeah, if you cooperate, thanks. Now, our store flag is high. And when the next clock cycle comes, we will have stored this right here, 12, into the memory. So if I turn this back off to demonstrate. Okay. I can now remove these wires. And you will see that the value's here. You can even change address to something else and back, and here it is again. So that's about it for my demonstration of the memory module for today. I have ordered new parts and they will arrive hopefully within a few days. I will, of course, make another video then, and I will see you later.